The Skin Gig Relationship Toolkit, brought to you by Sankofa Counseling. Today's tool, XYZ. The XYZ is a way of saying things that are difficult to say, but in a way they're much more likely to be heard, because you're going to say it in a way that owns your truth. At the same time, it's not going to make an accusation, and it's not going to be inflammatory to the other person. It's going to make room for another way of seeing things. And then you can actually have a dialogue about the thing and be able to consider kind of where the other person is coming from as well. So it goes like this: X, Y, Z. Whenever you X, it leaves me feeling, doesn't make me feel, nobody can make you feel anything, leaves me feeling Y, and I would prefer that you Z. So for instance, when you stand over me while you're telling me about things that you're angry about, it leaves me feeling belittled and demeaned and disrespected. And I would really prefer that you come down and be eye to eye with me when we talk. See how that works? I didn't say, oh my God, you're standing over me, you're being a horrible person, blah, 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 or you're being a bully, or you're threatening. There's not you statements. You're owning your perspective. It's not okay with me that you're standing over me that way. And the feeling that I am getting, that's not something somebody can argue with, right? They're not living inside of you. You are getting the feeling, regardless of what they intend. That behavior gives you the feeling that this person is talking down to you, demeaning you, disrespecting you. So you're asking a simple thing. Can we be eye to eye when we talk about difficult things or when you're angry? See how it works? Try it on for size. And if this was helpful to you, follow. I got a whole bunch of other ideas too.